Good morning, my ESL 2 class. We are hopefully going to have better luck with our technology today. So yesterday, what you were supposed to be able to do, and if you didn't, that's okay, was look at the trimester overviews, but you were supposed to go into this presentation about myself. And yours looks a little bit different than mine, but you go to, yours says My Documents. There is a link about how to use the Google Drive, for example, and how to do the assignment itself. But so far, I don't know that I have anybody in. And I also see what person. So I'm a little bit concerned about that. Make sure if you are trying but not successful that you communicate with me. The assignment today was just to continue on with this, so there's really nothing new. But it is pretty important that you start this soon. So if you're struggling, make sure that you reach out to me. I will be in the WebEx for the last few minutes of class today, probably about the last 5. And the way that you can get to my WebEx is to open the WebEx app. Do not sign in, but you should put in this code. It's in your updates. The code is 807-018-399. So definitely drop in, but otherwise you can always ask questions via Messenger or email. And I hope to see more of you online today. Okay, have a good day.